So in this tutorial, we learn how to install NumPy in Pycharm. NumPy is an open source mathematical and scientific computing library for Python programming, and Pycharm is an integrated development environment for programming in Python. But before installing Pycharm, make sure that you have downloaded and installed Python. If not so, you can follow the link in the description below and learn how to download and install Python. So first, open your Pycharm Community Edition. So I had already created my project folder, ran a program, and my program was working. So let's begin the process of installing NumPy in Pycharm. Click the main menu at the top left corner of the screen and click Settings. Under Settings, on your left sidebar, click the project name, the word project and the name that contains your project folder. You can expand the arrow and click Python Interpreter. Here you can see all my packages that are already installed in my Pycharm. So click the plus sign for install and search for the package NumPy. So you can see the package is visible. Click the package and click install package. So the package is being installed, and also you have gotten another message that NumPy has been installed successfully. You can close. And when you come back to the Python interpreter, you'll see that NumPy has been added to my package. So that's how to install NumPy in Pycharm. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.